Good Friday morning, and welcome to my kitchen. Today is a cold and blustery 34 degrees, and I'm here at the house by myself. So I thought I would cook me something that would warm me up to my toes. I went to the pantry, and there was a big old bag of potatoes that needed to be cooked. So I decided on stewed potatoes. Have you ever eaten stewed potatoes? Leave me a comment if you have. My mom used to make them when we would come in from the tobacco beds during this time of year. It was a quick item to make as part of our supper. It was served as a side dish, but today for lunch, I'm going to have it as my meal. Also note, this is not potato soup. It is thinner than soup. My mom actually served it out of the bowl with a slotted spoon, so all that juice did not get on your plate, but it is so tasty. Let's get started. I'm peeling 4 or 5 small potatoes, which is more than I need, but these potatoes needed to be used. Once you have them washed, cut them up in small chunks like you see me doing here. You don't want them so small your potatoes will fall apart or turn into mush. Now put all your chopped potatoes in your pot and cover with water. Now I like to add onions to my potatoes. For me, they just pair well together. My favorite is a Vidalia onion, but this sweet yellow onion is good too. I just cut it in chunks just like I did my potatoes. Now add salt and pepper to taste. Now I have been known to add some bacon drippings at this point, but I didn't have any today. I did have some chicken broth base. Now, while your potatoes and onions are boiling, mix a heaping teaspoon of cornstarch with some milk, or I had half and half today. Be sure to mix this well to get all the lumps out. Add to your potatoes and let simmer for a few more minutes. This will thicken your broth nicely. Now I add a little more black pepper and a pat of butter, and since I was outside in the garden this morning, I pulled me a green onion to add. Oh my goodness, that is good. Never underestimate the lowly potato. It can feed you in so many different ways. I hope y'all give this side dish a try and let me know what you think of it. And I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.